Well, welcome to Math by Audrey, the Stand Store. So, as you can tell, this is where you can get all of the resources and the systems that you need to improve on your scores, either for the GED, the ASVAB, the AccuPlacer, the TEAS test, the HESI test, or even just algebra in general. So, as you go in, if you're watching the video, obviously that's the first thing that you did. Then you want to go into the try before you buy. So if you're not sure where exactly your skills are placed, I have this Stop the Math Spiral, which is a free skills check-in just to see where exactly you are. So again, this is free. All you have to do is hit the start here. But if you're like, I think I'm ready to get myself in verse, but I just don't know where I start. So that's where you go into the summer starter system. So this is where you can get the first two volumes of algebra at your pace, as well as the practice exam book. And you have a detailed video breakdown of volume one. And also you have access to a reassurance session where you can come in on Tuesdays or on Thursdays at 6 p.m. at Eastern Standard Time if you're an adult, and the teens are at 5:30. So when you have a question and you just need clarification, that's where you can go. So then, as you can see, we have all the other systems, and each of them will give you detailed information of what they are. So don't be afraid to go ahead and click. If you know that you want to look at individual books, I have all the individual books for algebra at your pace, as well as the practice exam and the ASVAB math practice examination books as well. But if you're thinking about the physical books, you want to go down to physical and resources on Amazon. If you click here, it will give you a landing page, which will give you further details for each of the books, as well as get you connected to the exact page on Amazon. And if you're just looking for some foundational resources like the flashcards from verbal to algebraic, also flashcards with multiplying, dividing, or order of operations, simplifying exponents, all of the flashcards are listed here and you can order them directly. But if you're thinking, I need a little more information, a little more one-to-one personalization, then you could just basically sign up for a tutoring interest call, which is a 15-minute discussion with me to basically help you guide you into the right direction if tutoring is your best bet or maybe the resource pages. So that is basically it for the Stand Store. So everything is here at your fingertips. Go ahead, take a look at all the detailed information. And if you have any questions, go ahead and DM me and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, thanks for stopping by.